We are between mile marker 427 and 428 on the Natchez Trace at the Garrison Creek pull-off. It's an equestrian center, and some horse left his droppings here, which is what horses do. But they do have an equestrian trail here along with a hiking trail. It's known for Garrison Creek because of the creek down here where you can kind of come and cool off, dip your feet in. They have barbecue grills, trash receptacles, picnic benches. So all you horse lovers, good place to come and put your horses out and go for a ride. We're here in March and it is beautiful weather. There's just a tinge of green in some of the trees as they're starting to put on buds. So it's a beautiful time to be here. Weather is perfect today. It would be a great day for a horse ride or a hike. But again, there are restroom facilities and picnic areas as you come into this area, Garrison Creek. There are some people here in their chairs just enjoying the creek and the sunshine, getting some vitamin D.
I'm going to walk a little bit closer to the creek so you can see the water flowing, and it's just beautiful down here. Of course, there's a thing to tie up your horses. Nice clean water. Can hear it. Starting to see a few little wildflowers coming out right down here. We always like to look for those. Try to get close so you can see them. Very pretty.
If you're hungry when you get about this far, Leaper's Fork Village is not very far from here, probably a 15-minute drive. Quaint little village with antique stores, couple of nice little restaurants that you could stop and grab you a quick burger and bite to eat. So there's plenty of places along the Natchez Trace where you can pull off. There's also places that cater to people on the Natchez Trace. Met a lady years ago who had a bed and breakfast just off the Natchez Trace, and what she catered to were bikers, bicyclists that were bicycling the Natchez Trace, and so they'd make reservations along the way at places they would stop. Deborah and I stayed at a few on our trips, and there are some great places, quaint little places to stay. So plan a trip for the Natchez Trace.
Henbet dead nettle, this is called. It looks like when it's opening, it has like a little bit of an iris look.
We are about mile marker 427, between 427 and 426, and we are at the War of 1812 Memorial. The War of 1812 was between Great Britain and the United States, and it kind of tested the new country. Of course, we'd been around for a few years, but it was a good test to see if we were going to hold together or not. But this is a memorial to all the ones that Americans that fought in that were buried along the Natchez Trace, because this was kind of a big area of conflict through here. The Garrison Creek Equestrian Trail comes right up to here. There are places where you can tie your horse and stop and come visit this memorial.